What if I hover my mouse here and it will show you the mission control, hover down and it will show you the launchpad and all the apps I have, hover to the top right and it will show all the notification, and hover down, this will show me the Notes app. Alright, in this video I'll be describing all these settings. There are 26 new settings in macOS Sequoia version, and this is what we are going to explore in this video. The first feature is in accessibility, that is hover text. If you turn it on, then just go to any text, press command and hold it, it will hover the text and make a bigger picture. What it does, basically go to info button and here you can choose the size, maybe 30, 40, 50, it's up to you, and you can also change the command there. Then hit OK and go anywhere on the website as well. Let's say go to Safari and here I press and hold command, it will show you like so, like this. Another cool feature is here hover text. Whenever you are typing something, for example, I type something like that, you can see here is a big picture and you can see this box, and you can also go to change this one to maybe 50 and it will be with the 50 size. If you have visibility problem, you can also choose the colors here. Next cool features are here in the spoken content. Go to this option here, you will see pronunciation. You can add pronunciation by going to info button. There are multiple languages you can choose from the list. Once you choose, press done and turn on this toggle. Here is the cool feature of speak selection. For example, this is the selection. I go to info button, whereas the short commands, this is control and escape key. Now I just press control and escape key. It will speak for me. No matter how long is the text, it will speak for you. There is another good thing. You just don't need to press the control and escape key. Just turn it on.
Speak item under the petite tag.
Now you need to hover your mouse to the text and it will speak automatically.
Open system settings and allow Microsoft.
You can also turn on this toggle, speak typing feedback. Vocal shortcut is, I guess, something new. Here you can set up a vocal shortcut. Record something, continue, and you can choose some phrases and sentences from this list or can have your own, and you can set the vocal shortcuts here. Here is the focus, and if you show it in the menu bar here, it could be the focus area. Now you can go there, select multiple options. I have a dedicated video about it, so it has new features. You can change the background of your video, like my background here. It's actually a room, but it is the background there with the focus area. So there are new features. You can enhance your voice and everything. In Control Center, you will see screen mirror. Now you already know that you have screen mirroring options directly. You can connect your phone and macOS Sequoia. I have a dedicated video about it, so see this card there. You will get to know everything about this feature. In Control Center, you can see the music recognition show in the menu. Here you will see the music recognition. If you play any song, let's say I press this macOS song and it will automatically identify the singer here. You will get to know who is the singer and what are the copyrights here. Look, I press the recognition and it is now saying that it is cartoons and Jaja, and this is the singer and all the information about this song. Here you can directly play. Go to Apple Music and get this one. Start listening. And if you turn it off, it will not show you the menu there. There is a new change here, fast user switching. If you just show this one here, you can easily switch between different users if you have multiple users on your MacBook. There is a new change in the clock. Before you could see the digital time here, but now you can see the analog, digital, and more options. I choose analog because sometimes I create tutorials and I don't want to show my time, date, and the time zone and everything. So it's better because it's not recognizable. You can choose from analog and digital clock. There is a new feature and I personally like it. You see, this is the menu bar. I create a lot of tutorials but sometimes I don't want to show this menu bar because of the privacy or some other reason, so I can now hide it. If I choose always, only whenever I hover my mouse there, it will show you this menu bar, and if I choose ever, it will stay there. And you can also choose from full screen only or desktop only. In the meantime, in this update, you can show the number of recent files up to 20, 50, and you can choose the application, servers, and other events and everything here. Alright, so the next cool features are here in the desktop and dock. Double click the window title bar to minimize. Before it was able to minimize. For example, I have this one and I double click this one, it will minimize. But now they have fill option. If I choose fill, then now if I double click anywhere, it will fill to the screen or fit to the screen. If I go to the setting again, choose another effect, minimize, and now I double click and it will minimize. Next feature is here under the widgets, as I already discussed about the iPhone mirroring, and here you will see your list of iPhones. Maybe you have 2 or 3 iPhones. In my case, I have 2 iPhones with the same Apple ID, so I can screen mirror. And if you want dedicated video, just go in this card and see the dedicated video about iPhone mirroring. I also discussed if you are unable to mirror your phone, then how you can fix those issues. As you already know that the tiling is introduced in macOS Sequoia like so. You can tile your window to left or right or top or bottom, anywhere. So these are the new menus for the tiling options, and here you can choose tile by dragging windows to the screen edges. Hold option button while dragging windows to tile. You can do so. Tiled windows have margin. If you just choose like so, and it will have no margin. If you have another window here, let's say I tile this one, and there will be no margin between this one. But if I turn on this one, it will show the margin between 2 windows. By the way, here are the options. If you just hover your mouse and hold it here, then you will see the tiling options. This is really a nice feature. Before we were using some third-party apps to have window tiling options. Furthermore, you will see the mission control. If you want to arrange automatically, then you can select this one, and there are other options, switching the applications, switch to the space with open windows for the application or group windows by the application. You can just turn it on or off. These are the new features inside setting. A real cool feature is here, hot corners and shortcuts. You can have shortcuts here. You can deal with those shortcuts and customize them accordingly, but the real cool feature is hot corners. Now, if I hover my mouse, you will see this one. I have selected mission control at the top left corner, and if I go there, you will see the notification because I selected in this corner as notification. Here I selected mission control, and here at the bottom left, if I hover my mouse here, you will see the launch pad. Then you can choose whatever you want from the drop down list. You can choose from top left, right, and bottom left, right corners. Alright, so here we are going to talk about the screensavers. Sequoia has new screensavers. You can choose automatically or night mode or dark mode. It's up to you. If you choose the dark mode, the background will be like so. And if you choose the night mode or light mode, it will be so, and automatic is like that. And here are lock screen settings. Here there is one important thing, that now required password after screensaver is grayed out. I don't know, it's in my case or it's everywhere on this macOS Sequoia version, but it is what it is in my case. And here are different wallpapers, as I already discussed in my macOS Sequoia video. So you can choose from, it's an old one but in a new style. You can also choose Sequoia as normal. These are the wallpapers and screensavers. There is no such a big difference. This is after having a screen lock or before having a screen lock, so there is no such a big difference. You can choose from. In notification section, you will see now the notifications for your phone as well. Allow notification when the display is sleeping. You can choose from. Here is the allow notification from phone. If you are screen mirroring your iPhone, then you can turn on the notification or turn them off for each of the application you want. Same like your iPhone. So you better know, just go and deal with these notifications if you want or if you don't want. In the sound settings, there are some changes. Play sound on startup, this is common. There is nothing changed, but play user interface sound effects. This is a new, I guess. And play feedback when volume is changed. I don't quite understand what is this, but it is what it is. Just go check it out. Now you will see the focus separate window here. Here you can choose share across different devices. That's the focus I talked about. Here, if you want to just change your webcam or portrait or landscape, or if you want to change this background or change the voice of your microphone with standard or isolation voice, this is all about the focus. And now you can share this one across different devices. Next is lock screen. As I discussed earlier that it is grayed out. After screensaver begins or display did turn off, then you need a password, and there are some new changes here. So go check it out. In privacy and security, there is nothing new, but here is remote desktop option. That application that have requested remote desktop, they are here. You can share the remote desktop to somebody. This was actually available in Sonoma version as well. And check if advertisement from the Apple is there or not. This is, I guess, new. I didn't see it in Sonoma version, but Apple advertisement menu is here. In the lock mode, if you just go turn it on and go to advanced, you will see more options. Here, log out automatically after inactivity. If you are inactive, then log out automatically. Before, you could see all of your purchases and apps and passwords here in the setting, and then iCloud, and now you have iCloud here. It has more options. Now you have a password app itself, and the drive is there, photos are there, and you can just go show all. And here you can manage all of your iCloud apps and photos or gallery. And now it is having more professional look with more options. There is another thing. Now you can access iCloud data on the web if you turn it on. Alright, so we got Spotlight here. Before it was not here. Now you can choose from this list what you want to search and what you want your Mac not to search, include and exclude all this information. So many people in the past were complaining about Mac Spotlight and Finder search is not showing any search results. So I created some videos how to re-index your Mac so that your Spotlight and Finder search will show the search results for all of the files. So here it is. If your MacBook is not searching any files, you can just simply go plus that one. Let's say this is my external drive and choose it. Then it will stop searching files from my external drive. But what I need to do, just go to this place again and remove this one. It will mount and unmount. This is the way. I don't know why it's stupid, but this is the way to index your local or the external drive. I don't know why. Otherwise, you need a third-party app, Clean My Mac, to re-index your MacBook searches. I don't use Wallet and Apple Pay, so it is there. If there is any change, you can see. Alright, the next changes are in the trackpad and mouse here. This is here, scroll and zoom. I hardly use trackpad. I use all the time this mouse and a cheap keyboard here. So I don't use trackpad and other things because my laptop is there and it is connected to an external Samsung monitor. So you can see if there is any change. I guess like it's nice if I go to a picture and let's use it. Open a photo and now double tap will zoom, and with 2 fingers it zooms back. I can rotate as well. I saw I could rotate a picture before. Yeah, you can rotate a picture like so with your 2 fingers. So I guess this was available in the past as well. If not, it's new, then enjoy. So guys, these are the features I wanted to discuss in this video. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. Why don't you subscribe? Go there, smash that button there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.